हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद है आप सब अच्छे से होंगे। मेरा नाम रोशन कुमार झा, जैसे आप सभी जानते हैं गाइस। जैसे कि आपने टाइटल में देख ही लिया होगा कि आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं एलसीपी ब्लेंड्स के बारे में, रेनफोर्स कंपोजिट्स और उसके एप्लीकेशंस के बारे में। सेल्फ रेनफोर्स कंपोजिट क्या होते हैं और रेनफोर्स कंपोजिट से वो किस तरह से डिफरेंट होते हैं, आज हम उसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे। तो विदाउट टाइम वेस्टिंग चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ गाइस। Today we will discuss about the list LCP blends first. So LCP offers a new opportunity for preparation of a high strength and a high modulus material. We know that high strength results from molecular orientation of the mesophase during a processing. LCP as the minor component. Resultant polyblends offers both reinforcing effects and a reduced melt viscosity. There was the rendering and processing. Usually TLCP or a thermolytic LCPs is used as a single component or a part of a polymer blend with a variety of components in the isotropic polymers. Blending of a LCP can be classified as the following. Basically, four types classified into four types: with conventional engineering thermoplastics, with a high temperature resistant engineering thermoplastic, with another LCPs making composites. So, blends of LCPs exhibit outstanding physical properties such as strength, modulus, thermal stability, dimensional stability, and low coefficient of thermal expansion. We know that because we will also discuss in previous class. So, without time wasting, firstly to watch this video. After that, watch this video. The most commonly used and still important LCPs are the copolymers of a 4 hydroxyl benzoic acid HBA and a 2 hydroxyl C-naphthoic acid, well known as a Vectra A950 grade and a Vectrin. The next one is a thermotropic LCPs can used as a processing aid for a high performance polymer which are hard to process because of high melt viscosity. High melt viscosity means the LCP usually they have low melt viscosity. That's why using a high melt viscosity of a thermotropic LCPs can be used in this process. It is also be possible to significantly modify the rheological properties we will discuss previously classes, and also one LCPs by blending with another LCPs. This is called a blending process. The basically several parameters are used to determine the blends, what type of blend are using in this process. So basically these parameters, parameters to determine the blends, the thermal characteristic of the component LCPs and the thermoplastic, hence their compatibility, processing parameters such as a melt temperature, viscosity ratio, and a flow mode and a shear rate. And the third one is, but not least, it also depends on the ratio of the LCP to matrix thermoplastic polymer. Most of the LCP blends are heterogeneous, particularly when both components are present in appreciable amount. A few compatible sins are known. The mode of failure may change from a brittle to a ductile, particularly at a high LCP's level. Now we are discuss about the examples of blends of LCPs. What are the examples? Please comment below, and firstly stop the video and comment below. So the blends of LCPs with the PET or the polyethylene terephthalate were commercialized under the name of Suprex by the Polymer Incorporated. The point is the LCP blended with another polymer called as PET polyethylene terephthalate but are commercially under the same Suprex by the Polymer Incorporated. The name is Suprex. When two polymers together blended, the name something changed. The something changed name is Suprex. Okay guys, so they were used to make a film with a higher barrier properties, blend of polyethylene terephthalate PTP and two different thermotropic liquid crystalline LC polymer of two of the Vectra type were prepared by the melt mixing. So guys, next the blend of the LCPs with the PC polycarbonate were sold by the name of Vectra by the Polyplastic company. Vectra is the blend. Vectra nothing is a thermoplastic liquid crystalline polymer blend, not only a liquid cluster polymer. बिल्कुल LCP blend with the polycarbonate were sold by the name of Vectra by the Polyplastic company. They were used to mold electrical household equipments. Also, the blend of LCP with the inorganic glass, which had a very low melting point, were sold under the name of cotton alloys. These figures show below the polyester, polyethylene terephthalate, and polyamide EVOH or polyolefins to convert it the polyalpine and polyamide and EVOH and polyolefin. This PL is a polylactic acid, is an alternative form of PET or alternative source of PET because polylactic acid is a biodegradable polymer or a organic polymer as compared to inorganic polymer of called PET. These figures show the VVTR at 223 degrees Celsius and the perpendicular OTR at 23 degree 50% RH values. These figures show and stop the value, and to understand after some classes we will discuss about that. What is that? The figure what telling we. So self-reinforced composite. Now we will discuss self-reinforced composite. Basically, self-reinforced composite nothing but the is a reinforced fiber technology using inside the technology. Basically, LCP fiber can be used for the reinforcement of conventional polymers. Alternatively, conventional reinforcing fiber like a glass fiber, we know that, and can be used for reinforcing LCP polymers. Increase orientation of dispersed LCPs. Microfibrils formed by the drawing can result in the greatly improved mechanical properties of the blend. Self-reinforcement in a in situ composites involving LCP exhibit high strength modulus and improve temperature and chemical resistance, low coefficient of thermal expansion, and improve the barrier properties also. You know about the barrier properties? If you don't know about the barrier properties, please comment below. I am surely after will make this video in this topic. This composite will utilize for making a product which currently manufactured using a pure LCPs. In particular, tailor-made LCPs, thermoplastic or LCPs alloys for specific applications. Na? So can be developed using a technology. The technology is called the self-reinforced composite. So reinforcing effect depend mostly on the two things: the aspect ratio, length to the thickness, diameter of a fiber of a length to the thickness, the aspect ratio, and the second one is the quality of adhesion between the matrices. Basically, in a reinforced composite, two things to understand very well, because these things to exhibit or to extend your knowledge also. So first thing is adhesion. What is adhesion? Adhesion is just like a कुछ चीज चपकना or matrices to bind the reinforcement between using a bonds. The better adhesion between the matrix, the better will be the transfer of ions from one matrix to the another. Also, if the length of the thickness is good, the thickness is sufficient to the transfer and distribution of the subjected load among its lengths. Film stacking method. The film stacking method in a show in a figure basically the in a lower side and the upper side in a point of load attached, and inside the inside the hot plate two hot plate inside the matrix is alter layers fibrous reinforcement. These layers of reinforcement and matrix is used to bind the between intercellular forces of attraction. So film stacking is nothing but the process of consistent heating and compression, stack of alternated layers of a polymer film and a dry fiber, as also shown in a figure. During the film stacking process, the component is submitted one pressure temperature cycle, a better spreading of fiber in the matrix for the film stacking process. The advantage, what is the advantage, film stacking method? Why will you using in a stacking method? Why is it good other than? So the advantage of film stacking method include a wide processing window, so freedom of material selection and not expensive pre-production. The film stacking self reinforced pp composes when the first utilize the textile reinforcement structure. Got it. Now the second method is heat compaction method. Compaction method is nothing but basically the heat provided in the compacted form. The essence of the hot compaction process developed at Leeds University is a heat an array of oriented polymer fiber to tap to a temperature when a thin skin of a material on the surface of the each fiber or a tap is melted. One cooling, the material recrystallized to form the matrix and a self-reinforced composite. In this method, first directed anisotropic crystalline fiber rod are taken and the bonded, then the heat is pressure is applied to the polymer mass. So basically, this is a film material and the heat compaction layer inside and the heating zone and the cooling zone. Blue arrays to show a cooling zone and the heating zone. Heating is applied inside through a heating plate and to after the compressed the using a forces and a pressure after some time to compressed and to cool and heating to remove heat through the plates, and after that heating plate removed and stacked film heat compacted film is ready to be used. Okay guys, so property wise SRC, the self reinforcement do not suffer any loss when compared to fiber reinforced composite rather than the matrix reinforcement interface in a SRC show. Basically interesting properties having. So interesting properties the basically the fiber reinforced, this is a figure. So uh fiber reinforced composite and self reinforced composite, these technique to be difference the in a fiber reinforced composite, reinforcing fiber arrays show in a figure, and a fiber matrix in a fiber matrix in type 2 consistency, but in a self reinforced composite polymer matrix are using. Polymer matrix is a LCP matrix. LCP type matrix means the type of LCP are used for a binding purpose between for a binding purpose. So these difference between the fiber reinforced composite and the self reinforced composite. Basically, fiber reinforced composite Kevlar in its SRC form is extensively construction of helicopters rotor blades due to the it less prone than carbon or a glass fiber to break it bird collision. This is the formula, and this basically industrial field like the high strength, high stiffness, good shear properties and a low density heaven in SRC. This is the composites after composite in a matrix and in the fiber reinforcement filament. So basically now we tell or we know